Hi, I'm Jordan Orosco, and I teach leadership and math classes here in Antioch, California. Teaching math in the past was very restrictive without my Vibe board. I used to use my document camera and my paper here and teach, and I was kind of stuck here on this stool. But now with the Vibe board, I can walk around freely, write on this as it shows up on the board. Math is visual. With Vibe, students see it, move it, and own it. With Vibe Canvas, I can write on my iPad and have it wirelessly displayed on the Vibe board. I can walk around and my students are more engaged because now I can be right next to them, showing them the math, keeping them engaged, not snoring as I'm up at the whiteboard. Education technology should empower students, not just teachers. In leadership class, students take the initiative. Vibe board allows my students to practice their leadership skills without the need of their teacher always helping. They can walk in and use the board right away, working on our final spirit week and developing ideas all on her own on the Vibe board. She doesn't even have to wait for me to sign her in. She knows how to operate it. No learning curve, no tech headaches. Vibe turns passive learning into active discovery. It's my favorite technology in my 7 years as an educator.